Do you like to play with fire? Is temperature play your thing? Well, great news. I have a new bundle called I Like It Hot, and this will give you access to 3 of my temperature and fire play classes, including the Fire Play 101, cupping for BDSM. We'll talk about fire cups and wet cupping and a few other little techniques as well as my wax play class. Now, these are 3 of my most popular classes, and it's all combined onto one ticket. So each week you'll get a new class. For information, click the link in the description box or in the first pinned comment, and you'll see when the classes are coming up. I'll see you later in class.